Hi, and thanks for tuning in for the announcement of another Essential RC free giveaway. A bit of speculation on the Essential RC community about what it might be. We had a few guesses and I think only one of you was correct, and that it is this time the Rise DJI Tello that we reviewed quite recently. We had a lot of fun trying this out, done a couple of videos, 3 videos on this actually, and the first one we tried out all of its features. It's amazingly stable because of its sensors underneath. The best flight characteristics of a drone of this size that I've flown, it's really easy to control using the app on your phone or an iPad, tablet. Really easy, despite having to use those virtual joysticks. Performs quite a few tricks as well, with its 720p HD camera that can also take 5 megapixel pictures. Pretty good quality, and there's a separate video that I took showing that. Considering it's £100 value and what you can pay for drones these days, you know, over £1,000 for a Mavic and the Air and other drones like that, I'd say it's really good value. It does some good stuff for the amount that you would pay for this, about £100 over here, $100 I think in the US. And several other features. It will take video as it flies around you. It will fly around, do a 360 itself and take video, or fly away from you and take video as well. It's so easy to fly. I even gave my mum a little flying lesson, not that she really needed a lesson, it was that easy to fly. So if you're an absolute beginner, you would have absolutely no problem flying this drone for the first time. So how do you win this DJI Tello? It's quite simple. All you have to do is subscribe to this Essential RC YouTube channel. There is a button, should be a button just down here to the left, I think. If that's the left, and you just click that and you'll be subscribed. And the second thing you have to do is to leave a comment on this video as well. That comment could be anything. It might be nice to hear, give some feedback about our work and the videos that you like, the videos you don't like, or any other constructive comments would be welcome, because we do like to improve what we're doing on this channel. So that is it. You have to do nothing else. I know when other channels give away stuff, they ask you to jump through hoops, but all you have to do for Essential RC is to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment on this video. That is it. Okay, so thanks for watching. Look out for the draw. All the details are in the description for this video, including the date of the draw and all of the conditions and rules as well. The one thing I would say is, please make sure that you check back on the date of the draw if you are the winner, because I will leave a comment, a reply against your comment on this video if you've won. I will also try and message you through your own YouTube account if it allows me to do that. I will try every possible means to get in contact with you, but if you don't reply within 48 hours, I have to move on. I have to take the draw again, draw out another winner, and then get in contact with them. So please, on the date of the draw, check back and see if you are the winner. So thanks very much for watching. Thanks for supporting Essential RC. It means a lot to us. So see you next time. Thanks very much.